Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 18th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from IHS Holding, one of the largest independent owners and operators of shared communications infrastructure globally. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss IHS Holding's performance and the strategic moves they've made over the past year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. IHS Holding reported a revenue of $437.8 million for the fourth quarter of 2024, which is a 14.1% decrease compared to the same period last year. However, the company has shown a significant turnaround in profitability. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. While the revenue saw a decline, primarily due to the devaluation of the Nigerian naira, the company achieved a net income of $243.1 million, a remarkable improvement from a loss of $456.8 million in the previous year. This was largely driven by unrealized foreign exchange gains and strategic cost management, which also led to an adjusted EBITDA of $246.4 million, maintaining a strong margin of 56.3%.
Strategic initiatives and debt management. Moving on to strategic initiatives, IHS Holding has been active in managing its debt and optimizing its portfolio. Can you tell us more about their recent actions?
Sure. IHS Holding raised $1.2 billion through the issuance of senior notes, which helped refinance shorter-term maturities and extend their debt profile. They also completed the disposal of their 70% interest in IHS Kuwait Limited for $230 million, which is part of their strategic review to enhance shareholder value. Their net leverage ratio stands at 3.7x, well within their target range, and they've reduced capital expenditure by 36.8% year-on-year to $82.6 million, focusing on cash generation.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 8 cents, but IHS Holding reported an actual EPS of 74 cents. What does this significant beat indicate?
This is indeed a substantial beat. The actual EPS of 74 cents far exceeded the forecast, reflecting the company's effective cost management and strategic initiatives that have bolstered their bottom line. This performance underscores the company's resilience and ability to navigate currency fluctuations and operational challenges.
Future outlook and CEO statements. Looking ahead, what can we expect from IHS Holding in 2025? And what has the leadership communicated about their future prospects?
CEO Sam Darwish has expressed optimism about the future, highlighting strong structural growth opportunities, particularly with the continued deployment of 5G. The company has set a revenue guidance of $1.68 billion to $1.71 billion for 2025, focusing on enhancing profitability and cash flow generation. They are also committed to strengthening their balance sheet and delivering increasing returns to stakeholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, IHS Holding has demonstrated a strong financial performance with significant improvements in profitability and strategic debt management. Their outlook for 2025 remains positive, driven by 5G deployment and operational efficiencies. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing IHS Holding's performance.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on IHS Holding's performance in the comments below. Until next time.